Hello guys, this is Mahmoud from Steele Hyundai Halifax. Today we have the 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe. Let's check it out. The Santa Fe is a very practical SUV, very good looking with upscale vibe. Beautiful wide cascading grille, T-shaped headlights. Now the Santa Fe provides a very relaxed and stable ride during everyday duties, and yet just enough agility and steering feedback to satisfy those of you who enjoy driving. The Santa Fe is all about safety, practicality, and comfort. We have the H-Track all-wheel drive system, plenty of cargo space, push-button reclining seats, plenty of room. We have spare tire underneath the car. Moving the interior now. Very nicely equipped, very nicely designed interior. Very roomy and comfy. We have panoramic sunroof. The Santa Fe offers a host of driver assistance technologies as standard, such as the H-Track all-wheel drive system, lane keep assist, traction control. You have different drive and terrain modes. Very intuitively placed controls to make it easy to use. Beautiful floating center console. Push button gear select. Plenty of storage room underneath. Very roomy and comfy interior. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a shout at Steele Hyundai Halifax 902-454-1000.